Hey guys, it's Rita. Hope you're having a great Friday night. I'll be doing a Dollar Tree haul today, and immediately following the haul I told you I would have a Pottery barn dupe, and I will do that right after the haul. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification of upcoming videos. I'll just show you this. This is from a previous haul, one of the little Dollar Tree hair clips, so thought I'd show you guys that tonight. Anyway, let's get right to the haul. First, I have found the flip-flops, and I did get 3 pair of these. They're really cute. I haven't tried them yet. Got 2 for my daughters, 1 for myself. So we're going to see how those are. The lady that works at Dollar Tree told me someone told her they were wonderful, so we'll see. Next, I found these little lights, and they're little flip-flops. How cute is that? Haven't seen those before. Thought those were really cute. I have bought a couple of these, but I haven't showed them on a haul. It is a multi-purpose bandana. You can wear it several different ways, as it will show you down here. And I have worn mine, and I really enjoy it. So if you like putting your hair up, they have different colors. I think you'll find one you like. And I did buy these microfiber facial pads. And I bought these for my 2 daughters to go in their Easter baskets. One of my daughters is into giraffes now, so I did find this wall sticker, and I'll be giving her that for Easter as well. We have a pool in the backyard, so I found these, and they're inflatable cup holders. One is a tree. What kind of tree is that? I can't think. Anyway, you guys know what I mean. The other is a pink flamingo palm tree. Pink flamingo. So we'll see how those work out in the pool this year. I found these paper lanterns. These come 2 to a pack. I know they do have some that it's 1 in a pack. These are 2. So I thought I would give those a try and see how they work. They also have a lot of solar lights at Dollar Tree this year, but I found these and thought they were just adorable. And we will see how they look out in the yard and how well they work. So there's purple, pink, and yellow. That's the only colors I saw. Got 1 of each. Didn't want to buy too many because I want to make sure they work well. I did purchase some more of the flower picks, and these just say bouquet. They're pink, dark pink, a light pink, and then they have this little light pink one as well. Picked up 3 of those. And the Easter baskets, the little burlap, I bought 2 pink. I know my kids are too old for these, but they're getting them anyway. And I bought a blue. Next, I bought 2 of the large picture frames. They're 11 by 14. Got 2 of those for a DIY that will be upcoming. And just a garden trellis for another DIY that's upcoming. I'm sure you guys have seen this. Just a little picture frame with the clip on it. And just shoe polish, black and brown, for project work. I found these napkins, and they look similar to, I think Vanity Fair is the name. There's 50 in this pack, and the Vanity Fair have 100 in the pack, and they're like $3. So I'm not really sure how good these are, but if you want to hang on a second, we'll take a look and see what they feel like anyway. Maybe if I can get into them. One minute. Grab the scissors, that'll be easier. Okay. They're a lot thinner than the Vanity Fair, so they'll do in a pinch, but they're not comparable to Vanity Fair in my opinion. And the last thing that I got was this planter trolley. It has the wheels on the bottom, it rolls. What I use these for, and I saw this on someone else's channel and it's where I got the idea. I put these in my cabinet. I believe it was Thrifty Tiffany. And put my cans or bottles in, and then that way when I open the cabinet I can just roll it around. And she had a great idea with this because it works really well. So you should give it a try. That's all for the haul tonight. I had Easter stuff in my previous hauls and didn't really need any more. So I'm going to cut over to my DIY, and it is a Pottery Barn dupe, and we'll get right to that. Okay guys, so this DIY is going to be so easy, it's not really even a DIY. I did find this on Pottery Barn. The cost was $39.50. The size of the clay pot was exactly the same as this one from Dollar Tree. You get these 2 in a pack for $1. I got 3 picks, and these were in the little containers, little white, they have white, black little pots that they were in. I took those out. So first I'm going to use some white chalk paint. And I've got a little damp paper towel here because we are just going to lightly go over this pot, wipe it off. I did get a bit too much on that other side, but this is the effect you want right here. So that's what you want it to look like. And then I just took the stuff that was in the pots that the little succulent picks were in, stuck that right back in this pot, and just added the picks. And there you have it. If you like, also sorry, I'm having a problem getting into this bag. Just add a little bit of the green moss so you can't see the white foam that's in there. Don't need very much of this at all. So there you go. $3.50 versus $39.50 from Pottery Barn. I'll post pics of these side by side so you can see what I mean. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like the video, and hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Thank you, and have a wonderful Friday night.